are in Arequipa, Peru, which is a very sunny town. It's also called the White City because it's surrounded by these mountains and volcanoes. Hopefully nothing erupts, y'all. I'm going to take a free walking tour to learn more about the city. I've been here for a week today, and so far I really like it. I was gonna stay for a few days. I ended up staying a week, and then I extended my trip for 2 weeks. So I like Arequipa. It's laid back. The food is so good. It reminds me like of Southern cooking. I had like a macaroni and cheese dish here, like a stew, something with some pumpkin. It was very like home. Okay, I'll show you guys that later, but let's head on out. Be sure to be there at 2:45 because I came at 2:50, looking around, and they were gone. So there's a lot of cute little restaurants down here.
John, we also want to know about typical food. Okay, just 5 minutes, okay? Allow me to shoot. 5 minutes. Do you see this big red pepper? This big red pepper is called rocoto relleno. It's a big red pepper stuffed with meat, vegetables, and cheese. I would send it to them. Fantastic, really good.
We are now in Plaza de Armas, which is a good place to come and people watch, buy some local desserts. I think there's a market here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This one is a baby llama.
The video.
Well, that one just peed, so it's probably better.